In this video, I'm going to show you two methods of how you can get your Wix website's sitemap. So right here, I've just logged into my account and I've clicked on Edit Site, which has loaded up the Wix website editor. Now, the first method of actually getting our Wix sitemap, we want to hover over Publish, and then we will select View Site. Now this will load up a preview of our Wix website, and we want to focus on the URL bar right here. So basically, after all of the text here, we want to type / and you type sitemap.xml and you press enter, and this loads up your Wix website's sitemap. Now that was the first method. The second method of getting your Wix website sitemap, we want to go to the dashboard or the home page here, and we'll simply search for sitemap. And here you will see sitemaps, view your site's XML sitemap index. And if we click on it, you will see this, your sitemaps are optimized, view your sitemap index, and this basically loads the same page here. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.